The Tapo MagCam 2025 outdoor camera offers effortless installation with its wire-free design and versatile magnetic mount, making it easy to set up indoors or outdoors. Its impressive battery life, powered by a large capacity 10,000 milliampere hour battery, allows for up to 300 days of operation on a single charge. With a robust IP66 weatherproof rating, this camera is designed to withstand dust and water, ensuring reliable performance in various environmental conditions. The camera provides exceptional video quality with its 2K QHD resolution and 150 degrees field of view, capturing clear details and covering wide areas. Equipped with full-color night vision and built-in spotlights, it delivers clear and vibrant images even in low-light conditions. The Tapo MagCam includes advanced features such as AI detection, secure local and cloud storage, and compatibility with voice assistants, enhancing overall security and convenience.